An honest woodcutter. Rangan was a poor villager. He is living by selling firewood. One day he was cutting a tree on the bank of river. He sat